This is March 2020 question paper 1-2, question 24. Okay, they show you a section of a polymer chain and ask you to find the correct monomer for this polymer. That means we are trying to find which alkene is the monomer that forms this polymer. Now, what do you need to do is you need to find the repeat unit. They give you a section, not a repeat unit. So you have to find that repeat unit. Okay. Now, from this skeletal formula, I can see that this part, okay, until here, okay, is repeated. Okay, repeated one time, okay, repeated another time. So this will be the repeat unit. So I'm going to cover the other parts. They only show the repeat unit. Okay, then from there we can probably try to we find the monomer. Okay, let me just extend this a little bit. Okay, now this is the repeat unit. Okay, now after finding the repeating unit, okay, remember to remove the two trails on both ends and put double bond in between the two carbon. Okay, so let's erase this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, I don't even want this. Okay, then add a double bond in between the two carbon. Okay, so this will be the monomer for this polymer chain. Let's check which answer is the correct one. So I have these two carbon, okay, sharing the double bond. Okay, these two. Right. Now, one carbon, carbon number 1, is bonded to a CH3. So I have two carbon here. So I'm going to check A, B, C, D one by one. Okay, bonded to CH3, correct. Then bonded to an ethyl group. Okay, ethyl group. And bonded to this alkyl group. Okay. Now, A matches the structure of the monomer. Now we check B also. The two carbon sharing the double bond. So carbon number 1 bonded to a CH3. Carbon number 2 to a ethyl and also another big alkyl group. But can you see in B? Okay, carbon number 1 is bonded to CH3 and the ethyl group. So B is not the answer. Let's check C. The two carbon. Right, carbon number 1 bonded to CH3. Okay, none of the carbon is bonded to CH3, so this is not correct. And let's look at the last one, D. The two carbon. So carbon number 1 bonded to CH3 only, and another one is H, right? So this one is CH3 and another group. So D is not the answer also. The answer is A.